Hi, I'm Andrés Varhola and I'm an assistant professor of teaching at the Faculty of Forestry at UBC. So I like my classes to be as exciting for you as your favorite activities. You will not be listening to an hour-long lecture. We will have games, we have critical thinking questions that you can discuss with your classmates. Also the participation of amazing guest speakers that come by to my courses. I love technology, so I use a lot of technological tools that help us get engaged in the classroom. We play a lot of Kahoot games, Menti, polls, iClickers, short quizzes. Everything is designed to motivate you to read, to come to class, participate in class as well. Interactive activities where you get to actually come up with a solution based on the opinions of your classmates. In many courses we have short fieldwork activities, and you will also have great opportunities to make connections and make friends in the academic setting. It is a unique time in your life. It is unrepeatable, and it is fascinating because it's the starting point of your professional career, and you are a blank page in what will become a really long and exciting book. So I really hope you accept your offer to this fantastic university.